You went with Pontiflex, their AppLeads program. I've interviewed Pontiflex; they're a sponsor of the show. But you went with them. You went with them. Why?
Well, actually, to comment on that a little bit, we started out with AdMob,
Okay.
and that continued by itself for about 1.5 to 2 months before we switched out to Pontiflex.
What was the results like? I mean, what did you see from after you implemented AppLeads?
Well, we saw right away about 4 to 5 times the revenue initially that we were making with AdMob, which was incredible. And we saw we saw no decrease in rating in the market. And in fact, as Pontiflex has sent out updates to their product, we've seen our rating increase as they've improved the user experience of how their ads show up. And so that's been awesome too, because having someone else give you and hand you a new SDK for their advertisements in your application and having that improve your rating is just really nice, really good feeling.
So, I mean, the process is basically it's an inobtrusive ad that is related to the content of the application. You click on it; it doesn't take you out of the app. It allows you to sign up for more information within the app, and then you get compensated based on that sign up. Is that right?
That's correct. Yep. In some sense, there's less interruption than a banner ad is. If you click on an AdMob advertisement, it loads up the standard Android browser and loads
Takes
a
you out
web
of the app.
page, which takes 4 to 5 times longer than an in-app screen. So
Yeah.
it's very convenient for the user.
What are we talking about here when it came to signups? Like you were getting compensated for people to sign up. I mean, really, like the idea for some people that look, I'm going to click on this. I'm not going to ever sign up for an advertisement through a mobile app.
On a phone, you're willing to give away to send out your information, especially when you trust a developer and you trust in the product that you're interested in, that you're freely signing up for. You're not being forced to anything.
Yeah.
And you're giving away just pretty standard information. I mean, you're giving away your name and your email address, and that's a way that your developer can get in contact with you and build their relationship with you in a way that you can't get any other way through the Android market. In that the Android market's comment system leaves a first name and a sentence and no way to contact that person.
Right.
But this really builds a connection. You can build an email list with your signups and really build a connection through Facebook and Twitter and just individualized emails to your customers. And it's just awesome. It's something that you can't get anywhere else.
You know, out of the 208,000 people that have downloaded the application, I'm just intrigued by how many. You know, how big is the mailing list that has resulted in? What's the conversion rate?
You know, I haven't checked the numbers recently, but I believe, let's see, on around April 20th, we had over 10,000 signups. So quite a large percentage of our 200,000 users have actually entered their information and joined our list.
You've got a mailing list that allows you to drive, you know, when you launch your next version, the one that you're paying, you know, the for pay one, or your next app, you have a mailing list to launch from.
Exactly. Yep. And that's exactly what we're doing.
So you're almost, it's like you're getting paid to to develop a mailing list.
Exactly. Yep. It's awesome.